Another very common thing that a lot of women come to me with, especially around this time of the year, are all sorts of different colds, coughs, flus, sore throats, things like that. And they don't want to take over-the-counter medicines because they are worried about the side effects and impact on the baby and things like that. So they a lot of the times want to know how homeopathy can help, because they often know that it's safer and it would not impact the baby in any detrimental way or anything.